Hey, I just wanted to talk to you about a real quick, kind of a simple way of explaining things when we're confronted with disappointment and how we can respond. You know, I've been disappointed a lot of times in my life for various things. Sports, relationships, business, I mean, who knows? It's all kinds of stuff. We're all different, but we're all experiencing disappointment at one point or another in our lives, or multiple points for that matter. So, my son was in a car accident, and he received a traumatic brain injury in the process. He's recovered a great deal, but his life's never going to be the same. He's always going to need somebody to help him. And frequently he gets disappointed because he can't do the things that his buddies can do and that his friends can do, and then he sees other people doing and he would like to aspire to. Something as simple as riding a bicycle, you know, his balance isn't there. You know, riding a skateboard. I mean, there's all kinds of things he can't do, and he gets disappointed. But one of the ways we try to deal with it is to get this idea in our head that we really have two choices in the moment. We can become bitter, or we can get better. And better can include a lot of things. It could be a better attitude. I could get better at my job. I could get better at my relationship. I could get better at school. You know, I could invest my energy there, or I can invest my energy in being bitter. I can be angry. I can be frustrated, and all of those negative emotions generally do not propel us in the direction we would like our life to go, which is some sort of positive outcome, positive results, improvement, better lifestyle. I mean, there's all kinds of things. But for us and our family and here at the Kung Fu School, it's all about, am I going to be bitter or am I going to be better? Am I going to choose to feel that initial disappointment and then feed it and continue to feel disappointed and then over time become bitter? Or am I going to take that initial disappointment, look at it and say, well, how can this serve me? How can I improve my life or the lives of those people around me? So that's just